100% natural, honey-free, sugar-free. The wax is not too hot. Microwave, warmers, double boiler. Remember, when first time using a microwave, leave loose on top. Check your microwave minute by minute. Don't let all the wax become liquid. When the center is liquid, the wax is ready to use. So remember, natural hard wax doesn't stream. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna collect liquid and solid. The consistency has to be firm, not too runny. You're gonna apply the wax one direction. Okay, pressure, applicator 45 degrees angle when you're applying the wax. Try to make a clean line. Let it dry, and then using the stick, you apply the wax. 1, 2, 3. Okay? In case to clean the skin with the same wax, go back, clean the skin. You don't need to use any other product to clean the skin, and then finish with cold water.
Thank you.
Okay?